Doesn't come back, so.
Okay.
I'm a jinx. I'm a jinx. I'm telling you, I'm a jinx.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to that first round you shot on the 44. Also keep them.
With these, I've got cheap shells.
Yeah.
I don't expect a lot out of them.
Right.
Yeah, and these are rimfire 222s. Right?
Yeah.
And see, rimfire, the primer is in the rim, and they're just generally less reliable than centerfire. Yeah. Unless you get really good stuff like CCI Stingers, what I always buy.
Also, they're not sealed like what he had.
Right.
Moisture gets in them. But also, they're cheap Remingtons. They're the Walmart branded.
Guys, take all the time you want. I'm gonna go finish get my firewood up to the truck.
Where's your? I'd like to shoot the 380.
Hey, before you go, shoot the 9.
Okay.